Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Kia Forte. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, a new oil filter, and the correct type and amount of new engine oil. Always consult your owner's manual for the specific oil viscosity and capacity recommended for your vehicle. Ensure your car is on a level surface and the engine has cooled down for at least 30 minutes before you begin. Safety first. Now let's drain the old oil. Carefully slide your drain pan beneath the oil pan, locating the drain plug. Using your wrench, loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the old, dark oil to flow completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the flow slows to a drip, clean the drain plug and its washer, then securely reinstall it. Make sure it's snug but do not over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old oil filter, often near the front or side of the engine. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being prepared for a small amount of residual oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional quarter to half turn with your hand. Avoid over-tightening. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Using a funnel, slowly pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the oil fill cap opening. After adding most of the oil, wait a few minutes for it to settle, then check the level using your dipstick. Add more oil in small increments if needed, ensuring it's between the min and max marks. Start your engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck the dipstick. Look for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.